Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a folder on ClickUp Space. Maybe you want to categorize and group together your related list, tasks, and projects. So today I'm going to show you how to create a folder on ClickUp Space. Set video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space where you want to create a folder. For example, I want to make a folder in this space, so simply tap on this plus icon at the right side of the space name. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can now see the Create a Folder option, so simply tap on it. A new window will appear. And here, you can now enter all the details that you want for your new folder. First, enter in this field the name of the folder. Below, you can change the location, statuses, and the color. For example, I will use the color green for this folder. Once you are done setting the details, tap on this Create option to finally make the folder. After that, you now have successfully created a folder on ClickUp Space. You can now start organizing your list, tasks, and projects within it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a folder on ClickUp Space, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a folder on ClickUp Space, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.